Ever found yourself in a heated debate and argumentation? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Gislaya Ensalada, and today we will uncover the do's and don'ts of debate and argumentation. Here's the do's. First, research and understand your topic. A well-informed argument is a strong argument. So before engaging in a discussion, take time to gather accurate, relevant, and reliable information. This will help you present your ideas confidently and convincingly. Number 2. Anticipate questions or objections. A good debater doesn't just prepare their own arguments. They also consider what their opponent might say. By anticipating counter-arguments, you can prepare strong rebuttals and avoid being caught off guard. Number 3. Use logic and facts as evidence for your positions. As arguments should be based on reasoning and supported by facts. Use data, statistics, and credible resources to back up your claims rather than relying solely on personal opinions or emotions. Number 4. Listen carefully. Active listening is just as important as speaking. Pay attention to what others are saying, as this will help you respond thoughtfully and address their points effectively. Listening also shows respect and helps maintain a productive discussion. Number 5. Be prepared to concede a good point. No argument is perfect. If your opponent makes a valid point, acknowledge it. This demonstrates open-mindedness and intellectual honesty, which can make your overall argument stronger. Number 6. Stick to the time limit. Whether in a formal debate or a casual discussion, it's important to be concise and stay within the given time. Going over time can make your argument seem unfocused and repetitive. Number 7. Be calm and respectful. Maintaining exposure and treating others with respect foster a healthy exchange of ideas. Even if you strongly disagree, avoid aggression or hostility, as this can damage your credibility and hinder productive discussion. Here's the don'ts. First, don't use false information. Presenting inaccurate or misleading information weakens your argument and damages your credibility. Always fact-check your sources and ensure that the information you use is trustworthy. Second, don't interrupt. Let others finish their points before responding. Interrupting is not only disrespectful, but also prevents you from fully understanding the other side's argument. Third, don't use personal attacks. Focus on the argument, not the person presenting it. Attacking someone's character instead of addressing their ideas weakens your position and shifts the discussion away from logic. Fourth, avoid ignoring counter-arguments. Dismissing or avoiding counter-arguments makes your position seem weak and one-sided. Instead, acknowledge opposing views and respond to them with logical reasoning. Fifth, avoid emotional responses. While emotions are natural, relying too much on them can make your argument less persuasive. Instead of reacting emotionally, focus on logical reasoning and evidence-based arguments. Sixth, avoid overly complex arguments. An argument should be clear and easy to follow. Using complicated language or convoluted reasoning can confuse your audience and make your points less effective. Seventh, don't use weak or biased sources. Using unreliable sources can weaken your credibility and spread misinformation. Always verify the reliability of your sources before using them to support your argument. Remember, a great debate isn't about winning. It's about learning, listening, and expressing ideas with respect and clarity. So follow the do's, avoid the don'ts, and let every argument be a step toward understanding. Speak with confidence, think critically, and debate wisely.